Now the next question is, what do you mean by constraints? What are its types? So SQL constraints is a condition or check applicable on a field or a set of fields. Means constraints are the conditions which we apply on a certain column or more than one columns. So the types of constraints are, the first one is primary key, used to uniquely identify a row in the table. Means using primary key we can identify the row, and here the primary key, the column which is a primary key cannot have null values since it is used to identify the rows. Example, the roll numbers, like the registration numbers, these are all come under this primary key which cannot be null. The next one is unique, ensures that all values in a column are different. So the values in a unique column all are different. The next one, not null, ensures that a column will not accept null values. Means the column will not accept the null values. The next one is foreign key, used to ensure referential integrity of data with another table. Means foreign key is used to link one table to the another table. The next one is default, provides a default value for a column. Means suppose you are not providing any value for a given column, suppose you want to insert a null, but if we have given some value in default, then it will automatically get the value from the default. The next one is check, make sure that all values in a column satisfy a certain criteria. Means when we give check, so it will allow to insert the rows based on certain criteria. If it is fulfilled, then also only the rows are inserted. Suppose we are giving a check that all marks should be equal to or less than 100, then we will use the check condition. Then next question is, what is the difference between primary key and unique key? So I have not written the answer here, I am just explaining it. The primary key and the unique key. Primary key in a table can be more than one, but a unique the primary key can only be one, but a unique key can be more than one. The next one is, primary key cannot have null values and the unique key can have null values. These two are the difference between this primary key and unique key. Now let's see some basic SQL commands. Now the basic SQL commands are creating database. So to create the database, we have to give the command as create database and the database name. Suppose you are creating a database of name school, then we will write create database school. The next one is to list the view, to view the list of databases. Means the database which are already there in the software, then we have to write the formula show databases. Here always remember, it's not database, it's databases, SES. The next one, accessing database. So you have to use the keyword use to access any database so that you can start working on it. So here use database name. Suppose we have created a database called school, then you have to write use school. The next one is to view the list of tables in a database. So after getting inside the database, you can write show tables to show how many tables are there in the database. So show tables shows the number of tables in the database. The next one is describing a structure, table structure. Means if you want to see the structure of the table, means how many columns are there, what are the data types, what are the constraints, then you can use the describe command to see the structure of the table. That's all. Thank you.